Every morning, the forest wakes up with a purpose. With calm steps, the giant moves forward. Every stride shows strength and quiet grace.
The lion doesn't chase every sound or shadow. It watches, it waits, then it strikes.
Belongs to those who trust their wings. Some rise high simply by letting go. Storms come, but the forest doesn't stop growing. Everything survives by adapting, and so will you. Sunlight breaks through, touching everything with new hope. In unity, the animals rest, strong, focused, and free. Be strong like the elephant, focused like the lion, free like the bird. Learn from nature, grow through what you go through.